If you're in HR, you should know that 20 states, including many cities and counties, plus DC, now require paid sick leave that accrues at specific rates, typically 1 hour to every 30 to 40 hours worked. If your unlimited PTO policy combines vacation and sick leave into one bucket, you just eliminated accrual. No tracking, no specific leave balance, just unlimited time off for any reason. HR teams may think this simplifies compliance because everything's unlimited. And that might be true to an extent, but there's also a ton of risk there for liability because unlimited PTO policies typically have limits to them, right? Even though they're called unlimited, there's the limits of, well, you can't take too much PTO in general, or you have to, your timing, you're out too often, or we have business needs where we need all hands on deck, whatever the situation may be, right? Contrast that with like sick leave laws that are starting to bubble up all throughout the country, mostly in cities and counties really too. So you gotta get really local on these things, which say that employees have this time off, that they have to accrue this much time off, that they get to use it for XYZ reasons. In some places you can't even really ask for proof of it, or you're very limited in the amount you can do. But employees are entitled to X number of days, right? A designated by law amount of days that they are allowed to take for sickness reasons. But a lot of people view those sick time request time off almost as part of their unlimited PTO policy, which means that they're subject to like all of the kind of wishy-washy standards that kind of come with it of, oh, well, does the team need you? Or is the company all hands on deck right now? Or have you taken too much time off? And they forget that the unlimited PTO is one thing not legally protected, but that the sick leave is legally protected. And what ends up happening is that a lot of employers miss out on X number of days that the employee was actually obligated to have by law for sick leave. But they're getting denied this time off because they're kind of just treating it all as part of one bucket and holding it to different standards than the employee actually is entitled to have under the state sick leave laws. So there's a lot of benefit in having a combined policy, and you can often get away with it, but you have to be really, really thoughtful about whether or not the employee is still getting all of their entitled sick time off. Follow me for more daily HR compliance updates that keep your company out of expensive lawsuits.